Danson Tang is a Taiwanese model, actor and singer who started his career as a commercial model before pursuing an acting career and later singing. He was born on 2 September 1984 in Keelung, Taiwan. The youngest of a two-child family, he has a sister 4 years older than him. At age 14, his father suddenly died due to a work accident, which left his mother to care for his sister and him alone. To make a living and pay for his sister's overseas education, his mother had to leave home to find employment, which left young Danson living alone at home. Tang became close friends with Fahrenheit member Zero Wang after many collaborations and also sharing the same birth sign. The two have said they enjoyed shopping for clothes and accessories together during their days off. He was previously under management to Gala Television for his acting projects and Avex Taiwan for his music career. He is currently contracted to Eternity Entertainment Corporation and managed by Comprise Boundless Entertainment. In 2017, Tang scored a supporting role as Bai Zhu in Chinese drama Our Boyhood, which starred the famous idol boy band TF Boys. In 2013, Tang returned to Taiwan-produced dramas by signing an acting contract with local cable station Set TV. His first drama with Set TV was as the second male lead in A Hint of You. The following year, he was cast as the main lead in Set TV's weekly drama Fabulous 30. With strong ratings from Fabulous 30, he was once again offered a leading role by Set TV for their 2015 Friday night drama Murphy's Law of Love. Tang was discovered while working part-time at a Japanese restaurant during his college years. His career started out as a commercial model and appearing on other artists' music videos. In 2012, Tang landed his first leading role in a major production for newly formed Hong Kong television network HKTV, starring in the idol drama Love in Time, playing a 200-year-old vampire who falls in love with a human girl. Tang, who is not fluent in Cantonese, voice was dubbed over by a voice actor. However, as of current, the drama remains unaired and does not have a set schedule of when it will air due to HKTV unavailability to obtain a free television program service license from the Hong Kong government. Originally cast as the main lead in Mysterious Incredible Terminator, the drama production company later switched his role with Fahrenheit member Aaron Yan, which Tang ended up starring as the second male lead in Rolling Love due to Yan's leg injury. With Rolling Love's subpar ratings, feeling overshadowed and under-promoted by his acting management company, he eventually left GTV's management in 2011 and signed with Comprise Boundless Entertainment. After reviewing his new career endeavor with his mother, he signed with GTV in 2004 to act in dramas that aired on their network. At first appearing only in minor supporting roles, he eventually moved up to main cast roles when he was cast as a villain in 2005 popular idol drama KO1 starring opposite Taiwanese boy band Fahrenheit members. He continued his collaboration with the group and their acting management company Comic International Productions in idol dramas such as The X Family and Rolling Love.